Veeam has always been all in on alliance partners and really considering ourselves as just a part of the overall picture. So to make that point, I wanted to go ahead and play a clip from a fabulous interview that I had the privilege of doing a few weeks ago with Demetrius Malborough. Him and I have been friends on LinkedIn for years because we both have a ton of VCDR experience. And he is at Microsoft. For those who have tuned in before, I am ex-Microsoft as well. And he really gave us a good kind of overview of why he is so excited about the data resilience maturity model and why Microsoft is excited to partner with us on this model. So production, let's go ahead and roll that clip.
Yeah, so with my 20 plus years of experience in the backup and recovery industry, a lot of things have actually changed. And so what I've noticed is that the importance of moving workloads from on-prem to the cloud, they've been really critical, especially now with cybersecurity and cyber attacks, cyber threats. You're seeing things like extortion. And so you want to make sure that your organization has all of the proper capabilities in place and that you're number one, you're doing your assessments. Number two, you're also doing your business impact analysis because I don't see that very often. And so something like a data resilience maturity model is very important, especially all the way from your lower level backup administrators all the way up to the CEO, CIO, or even the Chief Information Security Officer board level. And so the importance of really making sure that all of your capabilities, all of your features, everything that you're utilizing from an infrastructure perspective are number one, your recovery time objectives, your recovery point objectives, knowing exactly what they are and having those meetings so the people, the technology, all of that comes together in order to make sure that you're randomly and that you're not randomly having these conversations and you are preparing, you're testing for when times may not be quite right. So let's say a cyber attack happens or maybe an accidental deletion. You want to make sure that there's not that much stress involved because you are prepared. You have immutable storage. You're able to make sure that the bad guys are not deleting your data because you've already taken the proper steps to make sure that those capabilities were all in place. And that's exactly what the data resilience maturity model is all about. It's doing all the preparation, all the work up front, sitting down with all of your teams, making sure that data is redundant, not just locally, but across the globe. All of your data centers, regardless of where your data resides, so that you can make sure that you're passing your audits, you are in compliance, and you are also able to recover when you absolutely need it the most.
Awesome. So hopefully you all really enjoyed that interview with Demetrius. And if you want to hear more from Demetrius, he's actually been hosting a podcast for a long time called Data Protection Gumbo. And it's a really great vendor agnostic, again, approach to the market because I think more and more we're going to be seeing a lot of these kinds of partnerships becoming super important. There is no silver bullet, right? We used to be orged in the backup side just to storage, right? I remember back in the day doing a lot of work with our channel partners, and our approach was, do you want fries with that? You're buying storage. Do you want to go ahead and throw in backup software? And now everything has really changed. A lot of the use cases have pushed us to be thinking more as an ecosystem and working together. So hopefully that gave you guys a good picture of why Microsoft thought it was so important to work with us. And again, continue to talk with experts in the field.